Okay, we'll just do a recap on logs before we answer some questions. So a log has a base, then in brackets has some number which we'll call quantity, and that equals some power. The reason we write it like this is because we can convert it to exponent form. So it's the exact same thing, saying base to our power equals the quantity. And what you need to get good at is just converting between the two, whatever's convenient for the question you're given. But just an example. So log base 2 of 8 equals 3. This means the exact same thing as base to the power equals the quantity, which is true. 2 cubed equals 8. So that's exactly what it means. 2 to the power of what equals 8. That's what log means. So let's just do an example where you give it in log form and it's going to be useful to convert it to exponent form. So if you're given log base x of 64 equals 3, here x is not the subject of the equation. So let's convert it. This means x cubed equals 64. So we can cube root both sides. X equals the cube root of 64. Therefore x equals 4. Cool. So in other words, log of 4 cubed equals 64. Sorry, 4 cubed equals 64. Okay, so there it was useful to convert it to exponent form. Let's do another one. We've got log base 2, so we're given the base, but we don't know the quantity, but we are given the power. Again, x isn't the subject of the sentence, so it might be useful to make it the subject. This means 2 to the power of 5 equals x. Cool. So x equals 32. And finally, what if we're given it in an exponent form, say 4 to the power of x equals 20? And we can't straight off the top of our head work out what x is. So we might convert it to log form because a calculator can do that for us. So this means log, our base is 4, our quantity is 20, and the power is x. Cool, so now you can just punch that into your calculator, log base 4 of 20, and that will tell you x. There we go, so they are the different places you might find x in your log equation, as the base, as the quantity, or as the power. And just convert back and forward as you need to. Alright.